Let's compare the Hamilton Beach electric can opener versus my OXO Good Grips manual can opener. So, firstly, the similarities. Both of these are designed to open canned goods. But really the biggest difference, obviously, is that the Hamilton Beach is an electric can opener. So you're going to situate the can in here, press the top of this down, and it locks in, and then it opens the can automatically. On the other hand, with the OXO Good Grips, you have to attach this to the side of the can and then manually turn this handle to open the can. So electric versus manual. Now, why would you choose one versus the other? Well, for one thing, the Hamilton Beach is going to take up a fair amount of counter space. So you can see it's not huge, but it's something you have to have out on your counter versus with this, you can just throw the OXO Good Grips one in your drawer. The other thing is I find the OXO Good Grips works better for me for large cans. 28-ounce can, like a big thing of tomatoes, it can be a little unwieldy. In the Hamilton Beach, it's a little hard to get it to latch in place, versus with the OXO Good Grips, it's very easy. You just put the can opener on and twist it around. So I like the manual one better for those larger cans. The other thing that's nice with the manual is it does have a bottle opener built into it as well. So it's a little bit of a dual function on that. Versus the Hamilton Beach does not have that bottle opener function. That said, I think both of them are great. It's just a matter of, do you want to use that counter space? Do you have that counter space to have the electric option? Or if you want something a little bit simpler, it takes up less space, go with the OXO Good Grips, the manual can opener option.